Mansoor Sahab asks this question from Chittagong. He says, in the Holy Quran, Allah says that وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا, whereas in the case of Abraham, we see that Allah's sunnah didn't work in the background of the fire when Allah commanded the fire not to burn him. So
did it work? What does it say? It didn't work?
The fire, normally the sunnah is it burns, but yes. In the case of Hazrat Abraham, it didn't burn.
You know, fire always burns. That should be remembered. But Kunu Badam wa Salaman ala Ibrahim means that at that time, maybe because of sudden rain or something, the fire was quenched. But the Sunnatullah is not, there is no change in the Sunnatullah. The fire always burns. Like we have seen it in case of Hazrat Maulvi Rahmat Ali Sahib, that he was entrapped in a house which was in direct range of the fire which was raging and going rapidly fast advancing towards his house. And people shouted from below to ask Maulvi Rahmat Ali Sahib to come out. And he said no. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi wassalam, the ilham is, आग हमारी गुलाम बल्कि गुलामों की भी गुलाम है. Fire is our slave. Not only this, but slave are our slaves. So he said, I am a slave of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi wassalam, the fire will not burn me. Now we understand how it happens. As the fire was touching his walls, suddenly a cloud burst into so heavy rain that the fire was quenched immediately and didn't hurt him. So that has proved to us that something like must have happened at the time of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam.